Welcome to the kitchen, where today we're going to be making the perfect roast potatoes. To make this delicious side dish, you'll need a few simple ingredients. First, we have potatoes. You can use any type of potato you prefer, such as russet, Yukon Gold, or red potatoes. Next, we have olive oil, salt, and pepper for seasoning. To begin, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, peel and chop your potatoes into evenly sized chunks. Place the potatoes in a large mixing bowl, and add enough olive oil to coat them well. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once the potatoes are seasoned, transfer them to a roasting pan. Make sure they are in a single layer, so they can cook evenly. Roast the potatoes in the preheated oven for about 45 minutes, or until they are golden brown and crispy on the outside. And there you have it, perfectly roasted potatoes. Served up hot, with a crispy outside and a tender inside. Roast potatoes are the perfect side dish for any meal, whether it's a Sunday roast or a weeknight dinner. They're easy to make, and the perfect complement to any protein. Enjoy your delicious and simple recipe.